اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم، میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے۔ بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے۔ جی نرسری، ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می۔ پہلا کلمہ طیب۔ طیب معنی پاک۔ لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ۔ ونس اگین نرسری، لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ۔ ترجمہ، اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں۔ Now nursery class, we will read Surah Ikhlas in this week. So please read with me. Surah Ikhlas. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ قل ہو اللہ احد، اللہ صمد، لم یلد ولم یولد ولم یکن لہ کفواً احد۔ Yes, nursery class, welcome to the nursery class once again. So today here is teacher Faiza is here with you with the subject of math. I will teach you math from 9 to 11 a.m. and in this time you can ask any question, any confusion, okay? And at the end I want to tell you that your homework will be the same as your classwork, okay? Yes, nursery class, once again good morning. Before starting our lecture we do some general knowledge question answer. Here are the 5 questions that we do in the last week. So right now I will only revise these questions, okay? I will ask the question and you will give me the answer. Yes, question number 1 is nursery, who are we? Excellent. Yes, we are Muslim. Clap for you, nursery. Number 2, what is the name of our religion? Excellent. The name of our religion is Islam. Now come to the question number 3. What is the name of our country? Very good. The name of our country is Pakistan. So nursery class, are you ready for the next question? Next question is, what are the color of our flag? Yes, exactly right. The color of our flag is green and white. Now the question number 5 is, what we found in our flag? Exactly right, nursery class. We found star and crescent. Very good. Now nursery class, are you ready for the question of this week? Yes. Now the question number 6 is, how many prayers are in a day? Your answer is 5 prayers. Okay. Question number 7 is, what are the name of the prayers? Your answer will be Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Well done. You want to revise the answer of question number 7? Yes. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Question number 8. How many days in a week? The answer is there are 7 days in a week. Now the next question, which is question number 9. What are the names of days in a week? And the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nursery class, there is no worry. You don't have to prepare these questions in one day. Okay? We will revise in the whole week and after that. Okay? We will ask this question in your quiz. Okay? So in this way, these questions are revised. And let's come to the last question of the week. Who is the founder of Pakistan? It means who made the Pakistan nursery? And the answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Okay? Now nursery class. It's the maths work time. So are you ready to start the counting with the teacher? Wow, very good. So, let's start the counting from 0 nursery class. Ready? Yes, say ready. Yes, nursery class. So, read now with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now nursery class, look at these two numbers. We will do these two numbers in class. So read with the teacher. 1, 1, 11. Once again nursery class. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Welcome once again nursery in the maths class. So first we do, as you know, we start our maths class with workbook. Okay, open your workbook and open page number 8. I have put my finger over here. Open page number 8. First of all, come on the upper side, you will write the date. Okay, on the top of the page we will write date. Today what is date nursery class? 10 dash 9 dash 2020, and we are doing this work in class, so we will write here class work. Okay, I have told you many times that C.W stand for class work. Now come to the first part nursery class. As you can read, color 3 oranges. How many they are talking about the oranges? 3 oranges. I am circle the 3. Okay, so you will don't forget. We have lots of oranges, but how many oranges we will color? 3. 1, 2, 3. For your more easiness, I will circle the 3 oranges. 1 orange. Oh, get wrong. Your circle also should be very neat and clean, like your teacher. 1 circle, 2 circle, and 3 circle. Okay. Now come down, come to the second part. What is this nursery class? Yes, I love it. These are cones. So let us see what they are saying. Color 1 cone. How many cones they are saying to color? 1. Okay. How many cones they are saying to color? Only 1. Okay. So we will circle the 1 cone and we will cross the others. Okay. So we don't forget. Okay. And you can do in the same thing in the oranges. You can cross the other oranges. Okay. And we don't need to color in them. Come down nursery class. Come to the third part. Color. First tell me, what are these? Yes, these are cars. What are these nursery class? These are cars. Okay, now let's see what they are talking. They are saying color 2. Can you see the 2 over here? 2 cars. Again, colors 2 cars. So for your easiness, I will circle the 2. Okay, nursery. So in how many cars we will color? 2, because they are saying us 2. Okay, so we will circle 2 cars. Okay, 1 car and a 2 car. Very good nursery class. Do the circle with me nursery class. Always do your work with your teacher. Okay, and don't disturb your mama. And cross the rest of the cars nursery class. Okay, you are grown up nursery. You have to do the work with you. Now nursery class is coloring time. We have to color in these 3 oranges. You want to do the color with the teacher? Yes, you want to do the color with the teacher. Let's do the color. Nursery class, your coloring should be neat like your teacher. Color should not come out of the picture. Okay. Now let's finish the color and then come and meet me nursery class. See, teacher is doing, you also do. See, nursery class, I have done the color in the 3 oranges and I want to do the brown color with you. Okay, are you watching? And I told you that we will not color in the cross pictures. Okay, the book. Okay, now come to the cone. We will only color in one cone, which is circle, and I will color in the cone the tutti frutti. I like tutti frutti cone, nursery class, so I color I put lots of color in cone. Okay, let's color and meet me. Yes, see how colorful cone I have. I love that cone, nursery class. Now come to the next nursery class picture. These are 2 cars. We have to color in these 2 cars. We will not color in this car. Now let's do the color and come and meet me, nursery class, quickly. So nursery class, you can see I color into these 2 cars. We will not color in these 2 cars. Okay, our page number 8 is completed. Now move to the page number 9. Okay, nursery class. Now let's see what they are saying to us. So nursery class, this is number 3. They are saying that draw the things, the number they have given us. Like they have given us number 3. So they have drawn 3 apples for us. Okay, nursery class. They have already done this. We have to move for number 1. So how many apples we will draw here? Yes, exactly right. We will draw 1 apple. I have told you how to draw apple. Write down number 5. Okay. Then make a curve like this, nursery class. And then make a pattern like this. And your beautiful apple is drawn, nursery class. Now in number 2, how many apples you will draw, nursery class? Yes, you will draw 2 apples. I have told you how to draw the apple. You will write number 5. Okay, nursery. Then you make another curve in the opposite side like this. Fine. Now you can make a leaf like this. 1 apple. Want to draw 1 more? Okay. Then an opposite. Okay. Then make leaf. Okay. Now come down. They are again saying 2. So how many apples we will draw here? Exactly right, nursery class. We will again draw 2 apples, nursery. Again make 5. Then leaf, nursery class. Okay. 1 apple. 2 apples. 1 opposite curve like this. 1 leaf like this. Okay, nursery class, 2 apples. Now come to number 3. How many apples they are saying? They are saying number 3. It means that we will draw 3 apples over here. It means we will write 3 5. 1 5, 2 5, and we will write third 5 over here. Okay. So our neat and clean apple will draw 1 apple. 2 apple, and the third apple. Okay, in the last, how many apples we have to draw? 2, because the here is number 2. Okay, so we will write number 5, then opposite curve, then a leaf like this, nursery class. Okay. Okay, nursery. Now what we have to do, we will color in these apples. Okay, We will do the green color in the leaf and the red or yellow. Any color that you want to draw, you can draw, okay, in the apple. Okay, let's do the color and meet the teacher, nursery. See, nursery class, we have drawn and colored these apples, okay? Have you done it? Very good. Now come down, nursery class. Now they are saying us count and write, okay? Now we don't need to draw, we only have to count and write down the number which objects are present, okay? First there are flowers. We have to count how many flowers are here. Count, nursery class, with the teacher. 1, 2. Again 1, 2. So what we will write, nursery class? We will write here number 2. Okay, nursery class. Now come to the pots. Let's count how many pots are here. 1, 2, 3. How many pots are here, nursery class? Count one again. Put your finger like the teacher and then count slowly. 1, 2, 3. How many pots are there, nursery class? 3. So what we will write here? We will write here number 3. Done it, nursery class? Now come to the carrot. I love carrots, nursery. So how many carrots are here, nursery class? Only 1? Oh wow, it's so simple. How many carrots are here? 1. So what we will write here? 1, nursery class. Okay. Now come to the racket. How many rackets are here, nursery class? Let's count. Oh, 1 racket, nursery. Wow, it's also very simple. So what we will write here? 1. What we will write here? 1. Okay, nursery class. Now come to the next box. Okay. Put the finger on the fish. How many fish are here? Put your finger on the first fish and let's count. 1, 2. Again count, nursery class. 1, 2. So what we will write here, nursery class? Yes, we will write 2. Okay, nursery. Now it's come to the next block, nursery class. Here are footballs. Now we have to count the footballs. Put the finger on the first football and count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3. I have told you enough time. Whenever you have to count, you have to put the finger on the object and count slowly. Now let's count once again with the teacher. 1, 2, 3. So how many footballs are here? 3. Got it, nursery class? Now what we have to do? We have to color in these objects. Quickly, nursery class. Quickly color the object and come to the teacher. Yes, nursery class, as you can see, our work is completed. Okay, so completely do page number 8 and page number 9 in your classwork. Ji, assalamu alaikum, nursery class. Once again, now it's board work time. Okay, now first you will count the counting with the teacher. Okay, so it will help to revise our work. Okay, do the counting as the teacher do in the class. Okay, now start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, don't read like 9, 10. Okay, read like 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Don't count the reading like this. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Do the reading as your teacher do. Again from the 1, 1, 11 nursery class. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 90. And nursery class from 1, 9, 19, the family of 2 stars. 2, 0, 20. Again nursery class 2, 0, 20. Now let's do it, the counting from 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Okay nursery class, let's revise the counting once again. Okay, now you have to do it fast with the teacher. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Nursery class, now you have to revise from 0 to 2, 0, 20. Okay? On Monday, I will first receive your video or audio call from 0 to 20. Then we will start the new work. Okay, nursery class, you will revise the 3 days of counting from 0 to 2, 0, 20. Now let's come to the next activity.
Oh.
Now nursery class, I am here with the activity. Okay, you can see apples on the board. First count how many apples are here on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nursery, first tell me that are you doing the counting with your finger and counting slowly? Please don't take help from your mama for the counting. Count once again nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But nursery class, in these apples we can see the numbers. Wow! Look at in the blue apple nursery class. It has number 1, 6, 16. What is the number inside the blue apple? Yes, it has the number 1, 6, 16. Okay nursery class? Now move to the next apple. Oh, it has no number nursery class. It means that its number is missing. Okay nursery? So we have to put number in it. Nursery class, today we learn the counting from 16 to 20. So can you please tell me that what number comes after 1, 6, 16? Yes, excellent nursery class. What number come after 1, 16, 6, 16? Yes, 1, 7, 17. Excellent. We fill the yellow apple nursery class. Now let's do the counting once again. 1, 6, 16.
Go.
1, 6, 16. 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19. Uh-oh. Now the white apple is empty. It does not have any number, nursery class. So we have to fill the white apple. So nursery class, can you please tell me that what number comes after 1 9 19? Yes, yes, very good girls. G nursery class, the number 2020 comes after 1 9 19. So nursery class, what we will write here? 2020. What we will write here, nursery class? 2020. See nursery class, we have filled all the apples. You want to do the counting once again with your teacher? Yes, please. 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19 and 2020. Okay, nursery class? Now nursery class, you have to open your copies and we will start our work.
Go.
Yes, nursery class, I hope you have opened your classwork copy. Okay, nursery class, always do the classwork with your teacher, okay? It becomes easy and your mama will not disturb, okay, if you follow me. Nursery class, on the right hand side, we will always write the date. So, what is date today, nursery? Please tell me. Yes, today date is 1010 dash 9 dash 2020. I write with different chalks because you can see easily, okay? And in the middle of the page, I always write C dot W. Got it, nursery class? And after two finger space, I will write 1 6 16 to 2020. Okay, nursery class? Now nursery class. In the first block, I will write 1 6 16. Okay, I will write here 1 in one block and 6 in another block. Okay, I will again tell you that we will not write two numbers in one block. I have write 1 in one block and 6 in other block. Okay, 1 6 16. Read with me, nursery class. 1 6 16. Now nursery class, we put the finger in this block and write in the next block. So what we say in nursery class? Leave one block. Again say it with the teacher, nursery class. Leave one block. And write down, nursery class, here 1 6 16. Okay, nursery class? In the next block, again put your finger over here and say it with the teacher. 1 6 16. Okay, nursery class, what you will say? 1 6 16. Excellent, nursery class. In the next block, we will again leave one block and write over here 1 6 16. Okay, nursery class? 1 6 16. Nursery class, please write on your full page quickly and come to me. So nursery class, I have finished my full page. You also complete your full page. Now in the next line, I will put my finger over here and say leave one block. Say it with me, nursery. Leave one block. And I will write here 1 and 7 in another block. It becomes 1 7 17. Read with me, nursery class. 1 7 17. Okay, in the next block, I will leave one finger and write down 1 here and 7 in the next block and say 1, 7, 17. Again say it with the teacher, nursery class. 1, 7, 17. Now come in the next block, nursery class, put your finger and say leave 1 block and write down 1 here and 7 in the next block and say with the teacher and say with the teacher 1, 7, 17. Now nursery class, fill your full line quickly.
Go.
Nursery class, I have done my full page of 1, 7, 17. Now nursery class, come to the next line. Put your finger in the next block, okay, and say with the teacher, leave 1 block and write down here 1. Okay, nursery class? And what we write here? Yes, 8. And what we say with the teacher? 1, 8, 18. Again, nursery class. 1, 8, 18. And in the next blocks, what we will do? Yes, we will leave 1 block and write here 1, 8, 18. Say it with the teacher, nursery class. 1, 8, 18. In the next block, we will leave 1 block and write down once again 1, 8, 18. Now nursery class, fill the full page of 1, 8, 18 and meet the teacher. Now nursery class, I have done the full page of 1, 8, 18 nursery class. Okay, now it's time to move on. We will move to the next block. In the next block, we will again leave 1 block. We will put finger over here and say it with the teacher. Leave 1 block. And we will write here 1. And nursery class, what we will write here? Yes, exactly right. We will write here 9. Yes. Nursery class, can you please tell me what it becomes? 1, 9, 19. Again nursery. 1, 9, 19. Again. 1, 9, 19. Okay, nursery class? Now in the next block, we will again leave 1 block. Put our finger over here and we will say leave 1 block and we will write here 1, 9, 19. Now nursery class, fill your full page of 1, 9, 19.
Go.
Now nursery class, I have done my page of 1, 9, 19. Now we need to move forward. We will move forward by leaving 1 block. We will put finger over here and say it with the teacher. Leave 1 block. Again, leave 1 block. Can you please tell me that what we will write here? Yes, exactly right. We will write here 2, 0, 20. Again, you want to write nursery class? Leave 1 block and write down here 2, 0, 20. Done it? Again nursery class, leave 1 block and write down 2, 0, 20. Now fill your full page of nursery class 2, 0, 20.
Go.
Now nursery class, I have done my classwork. Okay, your classwork is completed. Now once again you recall your today's number. Okay, 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Nursery class, always do the reading like your teacher do. Do it once again. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. So nursery class, your classwork is done. Now ready for your pictures. I think you love to make the picture with the numbers. Let's come to draw the pictures.
Go.
Nursery class, in the last lecture, we draw the picture from number 1111 to 1313. Okay, nursery class, today we will start our picture from 1414. In the last lecture, I promise you that we will draw different three things with one. Last time we draw candle with one, and let's see today what we will draw with one. This is one nursery class. Okay. I have draw one here. You also draw one with it. Okay, nursery? Done it? Now, nursery class, join these two lines. Okay? Join once again. Okay? And join on the top once again, nursery class. Done it, nursery? Now, you have to make lead of the pencil. Okay, nursery class. Now it has color because it is sharp pencil. Okay. You can also do designing over here because we have different types of pencil. Okay. This is your 1. Now what you have to draw? You have to draw 4. I have told you how to draw 4. 1 slanting line, 1 sleepy line, and then 1 standing line. This is your 4 nursery class. Now what we do with the 4? Nursery class, we will enlarge this line like this. Okay. And then we will join this with this line. Okay, nursery class. Done it? Now what we will do? We will draw here this line like this. Okay, we will draw this line over here like this. Done it, nursery? And we will enlarge again this line with it. Okay. Now nursery, what you have to do? You will draw line. You will join these two lines here. And you will join these two lines here. Okay, nursery class. Now what you have to do? You will do like this. And what is this, nursery class? Yes, this is our beautiful kite. So what we draw with 1414? This is 1414. And we have draw kite with it. Okay, nursery? Okay. Now come to the number 1515. Okay, we will write here for your easiness. Okay? We will again draw pencil with number 1 because you remember that how we draw the pencil like this one, and we will draw one over here. Then we will join these two ones. Okay. And we join these two ones. Okay. Okay, nursery class. Oh, we forget to join the here again. Okay, nursery. And you can make designing like this. It's up to your choice. One more pencil, nursery class. Now, are you thinking that what we will draw with 5? No, I know in the nursery you remember. We did it in the book work. I have told you that you simply have to draw the 5. 1 sleepy line, 1 standing line, and 1 big curve. This is number 5, nursery class. Yes. Now we will make a one more curve like this, and it becomes 5. You know, in the activity of missing number, I draw all the apples from number 5. You again watch and see that I have drawn all the apples with number 5. So here what we will draw? We will draw leaf. You know, apple has one leaf. See, teacher has drawn a beautiful apple with number 5. Clap for your teacher. Now, nursery class, move to number 1, 6, 16.
Go.
Nursery class's turn of number 1, 6, 16. Okay, I have right here 1, 6, 16. So, are you class is the turn of number 1, 6, 16. That what we will do with 1, 6, 16, we will draw here 1 more 1. We will join these two ones. We will join once again. We will join this. Oh, there is less space. It's okay. We will manage in this space. And draw the design over here. Now it's turn of number 6. I have told you how to write number 6. One curve. Join another curve. Make 6. Okay, nursery class? And on the top of the 6, we will draw 2 eyes. With the bright color, nursery. We will draw 2 eyes. Okay, nursery, here. Okay. Then we will join these eyes with this. Okay, nursery class? Then what we will do? We will make 2 ears on the upper side. One ear like this and one ear like this. Okay, nursery? And in the middle, we will make a happy face of the fish. See how happy the fish is with you? Wow, beautiful. Now, are you ready with the number of 1, 7, 17? Again, draw the pencil, nursery class. Join these two lines. Join again and join again. Okay. Then, draw like this. Okay, now with number 7, what you have to write? One sleepy line and one slanting line. Okay, nursery? Now we will join these two lines like this. Okay. Now we will make a one more sleepy line, nursery class. And we will draw like this. Okay. And we will draw waves like this. It's your yogurt. Why yogurt? Now, nursery class, it's the end of your board work time. Do your classwork and send me your homework. Homework is same as your classwork. Hello and welcome once again, nursery class, for the activity. Your teacher is ready to do the activity with you. Here is my plate. I have put different types of colors in this plate. I have told you before, you can use only one color if you have, and you can use many colors. Okay, it's about what you have. Okay, I have these colors, so I am using all the colors. Okay, I have taken one white paper. Okay, you can use colored paper or a white paper. Okay, what you have, nursery class, you can do in your activity. Okay, G nursery class, last time we used our finger and this time we will use our thumb. Okay, take the plate and put any color in your thumb like this. Okay, like this. Okay, nursery class, put 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then wash this color. We have done 3 thumbs, nursery class. Now use other color. Put the thumb once again. Okay, 3. Count the thumbs, nursery class. Okay, now the thumb number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, I use pink color for the 4 times. Now it's about 7 thumbs. Now use the other color, nursery class. Now nursery class, I use green color. Our 7 thumbs are here. Okay, now I will put number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11. Okay, nursery class. Now I will wash and will use the other color. 11 thumbs are here, nursery class. Now nursery class, I am using the blue color. I have told you that 11 thumbs are here. Thumb number 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. You can put anywhere, nursery class. Okay, it's not necessary that you do follow the teacher symmetry. Okay, it's a fun time. Okay, nursery class, then I will remove the blue thumb. Okay, nursery class, my 16 thumbs are here. Now if you want to use black, you want black thumb. Okay, no, leave the black. I will again use yellow thumb. Okay, nursery class. Now 4 thumbs are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nursery class. Now total 20 thumbs are on my page. Now let dry the page for 30 minutes and we will come again with the teacher. Okay, nursery, wait for 30 minutes. Nursery class, your surprise is over. You know what we have to do with our thumbs? Yes, we are going to draw the fish from the thumbs. How to draw? Now use one black marker, nursery class. Okay. Now take the pink fish. Make a line like this. Then one eye, nursery class. Then make a fin. Make a line like this and then make lots of 3. Okay. And on the upper side also make a line and make lot of fins. Okay. Then make V over here, nursery class, like this. And then again make lot of 3. Okay. And in this way we will draw all the fishes. Want to draw one more? Face, one eyes, one line, then 3. See, like this. Like this, nursery class. Okay. Now do with all the fish and come to me, nursery class. Then I will tell you what we will again next do. Sorry. Okay. Oh wow, nursery class. My page is looking so sweet and my all fish are swimming. So your fish are swimming in the water, nursery class. Now what you have to do? Nursery class, on every fish we will write the number. Like this is fish number 1. We will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13. I think this fish is not dry, that is why my marker is doing 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 20 is making problem with the teacher. It's okay, I will see him. Okay, nursery class, this is 20. So today we have done the counting from 1 to 20 and we draw 20 fish. Okay, nursery class, do this activity in the homework. Okay, nursery class, don't worry about the activity, do with your easiness. Okay, nursery class. So inshallah we will meet you on the Monday. Okay, Allah Hafiz.